touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs. What's good now? Badlands Chugs is back. And today I'm doing a Coke Zero double barrel chug. Oh man. I mean, I've done one of these plenty of times. You know what I'm saying? Double barrel, burp. But I've always done one. I've never done two. Ooh, so it's time to do this, all right? But before I do this, I want to dedicate this video to Eddie. Eddie is a cat I met on Cameo, and I want to wish you, Eddie, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I've never done this before, but they say that, you know, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. So let's get uncomfortable and live life. Cheers. Whoa. Whew. All right, let's finish, shall we? Wow. My goodness. So much carbonation. Almost done. Halfway done. Let's go. My goodness. Whew. All right. Seems like this one is going quicker than this one. That's the enigma of double barrel chugging. Oh, enough talk. Whew. It's turning more into a burp compilation video. Yeah. Come on now. A little bit left. Let's go. Deeds, not words. Oh. Oh, man. This hard as it looks. All right. Let's just finish this. Yeah, double barrel style. Well, mostly. That's the chug video, y'all. Merry Christmas to Eddie and your boy Badlands. Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.